Hey guys, Aias here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D lights in After Effects, which I always use in my edits. And this will help you improve your level of edits in After Effects. So now, let's go to my After Effects screen. I will start by creating a composition with my normal edit resolution. Let's get the background I used in this scene available in the project file. In this scene, I use a paper texture to simulate the wall. I will rename it as a background. Now I'm gonna add a solid layer and add the 3D element to it. Click on Scene Setup. Click on Import and let's import the 3D file. I'm going to select the 3D model that's in the project files from the edit box. Click OK and select to rotate the 3D. Select to reduce size. And now I'm gonna to add the texture of the painting, which is also in the project files. And you just grab the textures with the same names as here. And you will be adding textures to all the white textures. When finished, click OK. Then select group 1 and create a new group for the 3D model. Select the new layer, click on S, and I will increase the scale of the object. Next, I will add a shape layer and adjust it to the size of the frame. Then I will add the image of the Mona Lisa. Place the image below the shape. Select the trackmate from the image and set the shape layer 1. I'm gonna reduce the image scale and adjust the position. Now select the image and shape layer, click on Pre-Compose and select these two boxes. Check the 3D box in your Pre-Comp. Select two views and set the second view to Custom View. And I will also check the 3D box in the background layer. Select the Object Around option and then you can view the 3D without altering the main scene. This is very good for improving your 3D scenes and seeing the scenery from different angles. I'm gonna uncheck two views, go back to the Element 3D layer, click on Render Settings, Ambient Occlusion, check Enable AO and select Ray Traced. And this improves shadows in 3D. Now I'm going to grab a window reflection image that I used in the edit. I'm gonna add the fill effect and set the color to black. Reduce the opacity and select the 3D box within it. I'll open the two views again. I will add motion tiles to the window and background. Increase the outputs and mark the mirror edges. I'm gonna look at the angle of the 3D scene and increase the Z position of the glass, bring it to the front of the frame. Now right click, select new, and let's add a light. Use the same settings I'm using and set the intensity to 100. Select two views and I'll adjust the light's position. Oh, okay, now I'm gonna add a second light. I'm going to add a darker, more orange color. And instead of point, I will put spot and increase the intensity. And I will keep moving and adjusting the position of the second light. Now I'm gonna add the third layer of light. And I'm going to use a more beige color. And I will just adjust its position, as you can see. Now I'm gonna add a camera layer and also a new layer. Then I will connect the camera's parent link to new one. I will check the 3D box on the layer and then animate the position Z. I will also add a drop shadow effect to the 3D element layer and follow my settings. And this was the final result.